In this video, I want to show you how to change the sleep timer on your Epson EcoTank printer. So what I mean by this is after how many minutes of inactivity will the printer start sleeping? So the display will be dark and it will be less reactive until you come again and use it. So if you want to change the settings, all you have to do, even if your printer doesn't have the same display as I have over here, you need to go to the right side until you see settings. If you have a touchscreen, simply swipe this way. Go in settings and then select general settings. Press OK. Then select basic settings and press OK again. And the second option should be sleep timer. Press OK. As you see here, by default it's 13 minutes, but obviously you can change that. You can change from 1 to 60 minutes. It's up to you. On this printer I use the plus button to add and minus to subtract minutes. At the end it's important to select done, so it's registering whatever you have typed there. This is about it. You have other options over here that maybe you were not aware. So you can check this out, but overall, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.